Hi everybody, this is TJ with NetPicks.com and the Seven Summits Trader FX edition. In this short video, I want to talk to you about our live training event. We're hosting a live training workshop this Thursday, March 24th. And during this workshop, we're going to discuss some advanced topics and some nuances of the SST FX that has really made a difference for us as SST traders. So here's our agenda for the video today. I'm going to do a quick review. I want to talk about how we're going to improve our trading results, what are the latest SST developments, and I want to show you how you can learn the secrets of success trading the SST. And it all starts with this week's training. So we'll end the video showing you how to get started and sign up for the live training workshop. 2010 gave us some extraordinary results. Whether you're trading time-based charts, tick charts, range bar, Renko, really doesn't matter. In fact, if you're on MT4, TradeStation, Ninja, or eSignal, there are plenty of effective trade plans for you to trade. And 2011 so far is showing us the same results that we've seen in 2010. Huge profits. For example, our Euro-US 5-minute chart trade plan, one of our earlier signature trade plans on the Owners Club, continuing to produce great results. Just looking back at the European session alone over the first 2.5 months of 2011, it nearly won 78% of all its trades. Just remarkable. Other markets doing great too. The pound dollar, the euro yen, two very popular markets, whether you're day trading or swing trading, longer term position trades, all those nailing the pips, producing big profits. 2011 is just showing us the same thing that we saw in 2010. The markets are moving, and we're taking advantage of those movements with the SST Forex edition. So if you're not getting great results with your trading, I strongly suggest that you take advantage of our advanced live training workshop coming up this week. The beauty of the SST, well, there's a lot to be said about it. It's our most successful system ever. Let me repeat, the SST is our most successful trade system that we have ever come out with here at NetPicks. We're getting consistent results, and we're receiving incredible testimonials just about every single day. Of course, with the SST, you get exact entries, exact exits, effective trade plans, new ones posted with regularity on the Owners Club, and needless to say, one of the 7 summits, of course, the opportunity to trade multiple markets, and we're doing it, profiting on all best trading markets available right now, Forex, futures, stocks, and options. And of course, we're taking advantage of some of the advanced trading features, add-on trades, trailing strategies for the home run moves, multiple position trading, multiple setup variations. So what's the path to success? Well, first, it's education. Learning the core system. You want to be able to duplicate the results that you're seeing on your chart. You want to know how to add the new trade setups. We've got some new ones. We've been teaching them, and you want to be able to incorporate that into your trade plan. And, you know, there's some stuff that we just have to overcome as human beings. One of them, of course, is overcoming the attraction to failure. There are certain things that we do as human beings that are just counterproductive to our trading. The market is not a human being, but you are. You have to learn how to overcome the differences and set yourself apart from everyone else. And of course, discovering new markets and opportunities, mastering the scaling in and scaling out of positions, knowing how and when to trail your position for the big home run trades, and then of course, incorporating advanced training concepts, which is what this training is all about this coming week. So let's talk about what we're going to cover in the live workshop coming up. First of all, building a strong foundation. This is critical to the success of your trading. This is where it all begins. The critical first step is learning how to actually take ownership of the SST so that you can trade it correctly and with confidence. You cannot overstate how important these two C words are, correct and confidence. These are two of the most important words you could have in your trader vocabulary. If you're not trading it correctly and if you're not trading it with confidence, you're not trading the 7 Summits Trader. We're going to cover the concrete step-by-step process for you to be able to accomplish this and techniques to use to acquire full belief in the SST. You have to have full belief in order to be able to know that the next trade is the right trade, and the edge that we get from this system is where we're going to make our money. Remember, it's all about putting the odds in our favor on every trade. First, we're going to do a quick review of the basic building blocks that make up the SST. We're going to discuss some of the reasons why the SST works the way it does. If you have an understanding of why the SST works, it's going to help you make real-life tough decisions when the price action is just throwing you something unusual or something that you didn't expect. I mean, that happens quite often. The markets are infinitely challenging. If you understand what the SST is trying to do, it'll help you with every single situation make the best decision for your trading. Okay, so once we go over some of the basic building blocks, we're going to dive into some advanced concepts. We're going to cover in great detail a lot of the nuances that really make a big difference for us on a trade-to-trade basis. Interpreting key levels, for example, knowing when to adjust, and maybe just as important, knowing when not to adjust. We'll learn how to really use a dynamic price channel effectively. It's a very powerful tool just by itself. We're going to discuss advanced trailing stop techniques. There's more to it than just the out-of-the-box techniques that come with the SST. The tools are very powerful, but you want to become a master. You want to develop a level of expertise with these tools. We're going to show you how. And of course, multiple positions, scaling in and scaling out. There's more to trading the SST than just putting on a two-position trade, going to the fixed target and trailing a stop. We're going to talk about some of those other aspects and how to incorporate them to get you the best results for your chosen market and trade plan. We're going to teach you how to use market context to make really good right-of-the-chart decisions. Dealing with choppy price action, when and how to use the small trade rule, when and how to use the long bar wide channel rule, along with other topics. So what is the power of new? The power of new is how to use the SST to uncover hidden treasure. The SST is a very powerful tool set, and we've provided you with the basic tools, but there's advanced ways to use the SST, and there are new discoveries that we're making all the time. One of the things we're going to focus on is one of the newest and most exciting trades we've ever encountered. It's the get back on board trade, or get bob for short. We're going to talk about what it is, how to use it, why it's so powerful and should become a part of your everyday trading in general. If you don't know this trade, this one trade alone, learning how to use it properly, is worth many times over the price of this training. Just this one setup. We're going to go over brand new trade plans. It's a chance for you to add new markets and possibly even discover markets that you've never thought of before. And we're going to cover in great detail how to use the powerful Renko bars. We're going to offer you highly effective Renko trade plans and, of course, some advanced calculator training. If you're a MetaTrader 4 user, you're not going to want to miss this section. Renko bars can open up a whole new world of trade opportunities for you. MT4 traders, you are no longer confined to time-based charts. Get on board the dynamic charts, range bars and Renko bars. We're going to show you how. And then we're going to talk about building the perfect trade plan. Let's face it, it's not the trade you're in that's going to make you money. This trade can win, this trade can lose. What about the next trade? What about the next trade? As traders, that's what we do. We take trades. The way we make our money is the edge that our system gives us over time. If you're fretting the trade you're in, you're having problems. You should not fret the trade you're in. You should be able to trade your trade plan with confidence, knowing that that trade plan is going to make you bucket loads of money if you just trade it properly. We're going to show you how. And of course, we're going to spend a good amount of time on swing trading. Some of our most powerful and profitable trade plans are swing trade plans. We're going to cover some Forex, stocks, and futures. And we're even going to show you how to incorporate using options to really take advantage of big swing trade moves while keeping your risk manageable and locking down huge percentage returns. We're seeing it on a regular basis. We've often heard that most options lose, and it's probably true. But the SST gives us a real advantage. It gives us a real edge in the market. We can take that edge, we can take that advantage and apply it to our options trades and really put the odds in our favor and capture large percentage winners. And of course, a few more surprises And if we told you what they were, it wouldn't be a surprise, right? But we're NetPicks, and we're always going to give you something. We've always got something up our sleeve. You'll have to be there to find out what it is, though. So let me tell you how to get involved with our Seven Summits Trader live training, coming to you from our virtual office. This Thursday, March 24th, starts at 9 a.m. Eastern, and will go as late as 3 p.m., maybe even later. Dress code? Well, wear your PJs or your finest suit, but close the door and get ready to absorb all the profit-pulling information. Here's a look at our training team. There I am in the upper left-hand corner. And of course, Will, Brian, Mark, and Ron. Some of the other coaches also might be online with us. We've got some bonuses for you too. We're going to record the event, of course. You're going to be able to access this recording anytime you want in the future. In fact, you can download it, save it to your computer, and have it forever. This is a very valuable feature because you won't have to absorb everything in one session. Repetition is really the key to learning things and absorbing things so that it becomes instinctive. So we're going to give you that recording. We're also going to give you the Ultimate Trade Analyzer software. That's a $350 value. We're going to give it to you for free. We're going to show you how to use the UTA with the Seven Summits Trader, how and why it is so important. It relates back to the topic 1, laying the foundation. We're going to show you how to really get the most out of your trade data, and I'm also going to show you some new ways to use the UTA. In fact, and I'll let the cat out of the bag, one of the bonuses I'm going to give you is a brand new trade plan and a populated UTA spreadsheet with the last 2 years of data so that you'll know this trade plan has been fully tested and you'll be able to start using it right away with the confidence that's so critical to success. The UTA provides pinpoint accuracy of the best markets, times of day, power of quitting, risk management. It's going to tell you the best way to trade your market. It's going to determine when to scale your position size for maximum profits. You're going to learn how to track all key trading statistics, including winning percentages, profitable days, weeks, months, drawdowns, average gain versus average losses, expectation tables, so much more. And we're going to show you how to use those important features. You're going to know the expectancy on any market before you start trading. Moreover, we're going to include a 3-session advanced training webinar series. That session costs $197 when we came out with it last year. We're going to give it to you free as a bonus. And just that alone is worth the price of admission. Free UTA, free advanced training, 3 full sessions. I mean, this live training is practically cost-free when you consider the value of that amazing package. When you learn how to use the UTA properly and you start incorporating it into your daily trade activities, your trading is finally going to cross over and you're going to see your success and the results that pile into your trade account by utilizing the best practice trade techniques. That's what it's all about, you guys. You want to be a professional trader, you have to learn how to utilize the best practice techniques. As traders, you want to have the advantage over 99% of everyone else out there. Grab your seat now, just $597. That's it. The cost of 2 winning trades. And on some of our markets, it's only 1 winning trade. That's it. Invest in yourself. There's no better investment than investing in your own education. Take your trading to the next level. There are seats available. If you have any questions, feel free to call 949-481-2396 or send an email to support@sevensummitstrader.com. I really hope to see you this Thursday. This is TJ with NetPicks.com and the Seven Summits Trader. We'll see you then.